Hi, I'm Saksham Arora. I had a history of trauma wherein my front two teeth were broken, and I visited Dr. Gaurav Gupta for them, and I was in a lot of pain. So after examination, I was advised to undergo a dental implant for both of them, and I was told that there was bone loss in the area, so we had to do a bone graft as well. And the process was very smooth, in the sense it was pain free, and it took a lot of time, but the entire staff was very patient with me. Everyone was very cooperative, and I was suggested like what I can do to for the quick healing, and in case I had to follow some procedures. So everything was advised properly on time, and it's very convenient, the entire process. And now the process is completed, the implants are placed, I have permanent teeth fixed, and I'm in no pain at all. So I would definitely recommend Dr. Gaurav and his team, and kudos to the good work.